I'm Dr. Mabel, board certified dermatologist. Welcome back to my clinic. So this morning, I have a little bit of a downtime, so I just wanted to address or answer the questions that some of you sent me over social media channels. And the first one is, the the patient was asking, ano ba yung mas aggressive for scarring? So, meron siyang surgical scar because she got into an accident a few years ago and she's asking, ano yung mas aggressive to treat the scar? Is it CO2 laser or PRP? So, first of all, let's define ano ba yung ginagawa ng dalawang treatments na to. First is the fractional CO2 laser. Okay, fractional CO2 laser, so we use a machine and then that machine produces many dots on the face in a grid pattern. So parang meron kang mga 15 by 15 cm na or centimeters na square sa maraming dots on the skin. And the dots, the density of the dots or yung dami ng dots sa skin mo, yung depth ng dots or yung lalim ng dots, and yung energy by which the laser or the laser gives during the treatment is all dependent on the doctor. The doctor will evaluate your skin kung ano yung kaya ng skin mo and ano yung appropriate na energy, density, and depth doon sa iyong condition. No? So, it's not lahat ng tao isang setting lang. It really depends kung ano yung nakikita ng doctor sa skin mo, and the doctor will explain it to you. Of course, pag mas malakas yung energy natin, mas marami yung dots per square or per grid, and kung mas malalim din yung depth ng laser, mas masakit yun. So, yan yung mga things na ina-explain ng doctor. So, ano yung makikita mo after ng fractional CO2 laser? Makikita mo na marami kang sugat, basically. Maraming dots, and your skin will be rough, and that can take about 2 to 4 weeks to fully heal. And during the time that you are healing ng 2 to 4 weeks, hindi ka pwede masyado magpa-araw, hindi mo rin pwede ibabad yung skin mo sa water. Meaning, hindi ka pwedeng mag-swimming, pwede ka maligo of course, dahil mabilis lang yun, pero hindi mo siya pwede ibabad kasi yung sugat, hindi pa siya fully healed. Yun. So, yun yung fractional CO2 laser. Parang, it's really mechanical. It really, parang sinusugatan niya yung skin mo for it to naturally heal and improve. Because once, through those dots na maliliit na magkakatabi, nag-stimulate siya ng collagen, tapos nagiging tighter yung skin mo, tapos nagiging shallower din yung iyong scarring. So, ano ba yung difference dito sa PRP or platelet-rich plasma? Platelet-rich plasma, ito yung kinukuha natin yung blood from the patient, and then pinoprocess natin ito, and then after processing, ang nakukuha lang natin is the nutrients or the growth factors, the good things of the blood, and then we put it back sa skin ng patient. Usually, paano ba natin nilalagay or binabalik yung PRP dun sa skin ng patient? I usually do small injections. It's called intradermal injection. So, mababaw na injections, pero marami all over the face. And then, you can also apply it topically. So, pag may natitirang PRP yung patient, pinapauwi ko, and then, pwede niyang i-apply for the next few days. So, sa question ng ating patient, ano ba yung mas aggressive? CO2 laser or PRP for scarring? If by itself lang, pipili ka lang ng isa, CO2 laser or PRP, I would go for fractional CO2 laser. Because kahit na parang ang tagal ng healing, medyo masakit siya, mas maganda yung improvement. So you will definitely see more improvement. Whereas if you choose platelet-rich plasma alone, doing the intradermal technique, what you will see is your skin is more plump, more luminous, mas maganda yung color niya, mas soft siya basically. But in terms of the scar, hindi kasi siya masyado nag-improve. But if if you combine the two, so if you combine fractional CO2 laser and then you add PRP afterwards, or you put it all over the face, then the healing of the skin is superb. Ang ganda-ganda niya. I've been doing this for the past years and it's really, maganda siya. Like, usually it takes about 2 to 4 weeks for the fractional CO2 laser alone to heal. But with PRP, if you add PRP to the treatment, mga 3 to 5 days, parang nag-heal na yung skin mo. It's tighter, and then yung luminosity or yung color, so if you have like some pigmentation, nag-i-improve din siya. So if you ask me, I think the best thing to do is really to combine them, because it gives each treatment will give you a different effect, and when you combine them, their combination parang mas nagiging effective or synergistic yung combination nila. Really, mas nakikita mo yung, basically the PRP just boosts the effect of the fractional CO2 laser alone. Kaya, so that's my take on your question. So, if you can and if the budget allows it, I would really go for the combination of these two treatments. Good luck!